There is a very big update that includes new wood, new map, and even more, so let's get straight into it. Starting off with the new wood, it's called the blue spruce, and the best axe for cutting it is the blue steel axe. To find this wood, I recommend you to make a big tower, and look around the map for blue spruce trees. If you didn't see any blue trees, then join a different server. The wood sells for $48 per plank unit, which is 2 times less than frost wood, so I recommend you to use this wood for building instead of selling. So next I want to tell you about the new snowy map that looks great, but not just that, snowmobiles now travel much faster. For a reference, here is a snowmobile on the road. And here is a snowmobile on snow. If you don't have a snowmobile and you want to buy one, then you can join my Discord server, go in the trading channel and make a post saying that you want to buy one. And also we have a bit of ice in the sea, which is pretty new. So that's it for this massive update, and if they will add something new, I will make a video, so make sure that you're subscribed.